Sometimes your broker might be the actual problem. It's not your trading style. This is why I'm creating this video, because in this video, I'm going to show you the top 3 brokers you should be trading, whether if you are a day trader, a scalper, or even a swing trader. Most of the times, a lot of traders like trading things like gold or NASDAQ. And the problem is they always break even, or they always end up losing profits, because the reality could be the spreads might have had jumped extremely high. You might have seen slippage, or just something so random happen to the broker. That is exactly why I'm making this video for you. So by the end of this video, you're going to know step by step. I'm going to give you an entire roadmap of what you should be doing as a day trader or a scalper or intraday trader to make profits. Now, if you don't know who I am, I go by Solo TV, and on my YouTube channel, we take small accounts and grow them into profits. I even took a $4,000 account all the way up to $40,000 here on YouTube. And once again, I am teaching you exactly how to do the same all on my YouTube channel. So if you haven't already, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe if you want more like this. Let's get to it. All right, so your broker might be killing your strategy, and here's why. Most scalpers lose not from strategy, but from the wrong broker and the wrong conditions. And this is what I was saying earlier. It's not just the charts, it's what happens behind the actual scenes. And this is why we're going to fix that. It's all determined off of your trading style decided by the broker. And this is what we're going to figure out. One, if you already know who you are, that's great. But as a scalper, we have a different broker for scalpers. As a intraday trader, we have a different broker for intraday traders. And as a swing, we have a different broker for that. I'm gonna explain why. You are in and out in 1 to 5 minutes. As a scalper, you really need to make sure you find a broker with super low spreads and super low commissions, rather than if you are an intraday trader and you're dealing with more of holding trades a little bit longer out the road. It's not that important when it comes to low spreads and low commissions. Actually, for intraday and swing, the most important thing that you want to be careful about is news, because you're holding trades throughout the day. So if you're trading during that time frame of swinging or intraday, you need a broker that's not just going to increase the spreads so much to where you're like, what the fuck is going on? So you want to make sure that you're within that tight spreads throughout. Now, your broker needs fast execution, tight spreads, and that's pretty much what we're going to be focusing on. Also, swing traders, you care less about spreads, you're more about swap fees as well. So if you are holding trades out through the time, you need to be careful about swap fees. And if you don't know what swap fees is, it's basically when you hold a trade overnight, you get charged like 60 bucks, 20 bucks, 30 bucks. That all depends on the broker. And then also know who you are first. And this is going to bring me to my next cool thing. At ForexPropRank, this is where I got all of this data from. I'm able to go into ForexPropRank, figure out what commodity, forex pair, or anything I like to trade. I get to see what is the best affordable pricing for platinum, rather if that is me trading it through GatesFX. As you see, this has the best pricing when it comes to platinum. And then also if you're trading something like gold, you get to see what broker has the best spreads and commissions, all here at ForexPropRank. And that's the beauty of this. You can upload your trades, and based off of your trading style, whether if you are, like I said earlier, a scalper or an intraday trader or a swing trader, the system is going to literally figure that out for you. All you got to do is upload your trades, and it's going to tell you the best recommended broker and even prop firm. As you see, mine is Pepperstone. Reason being is because I had put a lot of futures into my account. So it's giving me like futures options or like close to that, and saying that it's regulated because I am in the states of USA. So it's really going based off of that. But let's get back. For those that already know what they want or who they are, don't even worry about it. But yes, you do have this tool. And this is, like I said, where I put up all this information. Your pairs matter. If you trade oil, like I talk about in my channel, the spreads are completely different than it is with GBP USD. If you trade gold, it is a beast. You need brokers who knows how to tame them. And then if you're only trading US30 or oil, why are you using a broker to optimize for your USD? This is why I say it is important to know how to select a broker, because it's like having your own kid. You need to make sure you understand it. And this is why we're creating this video. Well, let's talk about a little bit on commissions and spreads. When it comes to commissions and spreads, don't get tricked when you see brokers talking about 0 commissions. Promise you, it's not 0 commissions. If you see the fine print, 9 times out of 10, they're saying 0 commissions, but we do mark up our prices just a tad bit. I hate that shit. Another thing is, if you're scalping 5 to 10 minutes a day, spreads bleed through your profits. And this is why I say, or 5-10 times a day, spreads bleed through your profits. And this is why I say it is important to know what you're looking out for. And then, like I said, ForexPropRank, it gives you the real cost and the real pricing. If you're trading like Bitcoin, or if you're trading Ethereum, whatever you want to trade, you get to see all of that in here. Now let's get to talking about what broker makes profits for you. So here are the top 3 brokers that you will want to focus on as a scalper. And we're going to go into the top 3 brokers to focus on as an intraday trader and the top 3 brokers for intraday and swing. So first is going to be HankoTrade for those that is scalping oil and US30. When it comes to the spreads, if we were to go back here and type in, let's go to commodities and we hit search, hands down, we just see Hanko coming at first place, second place, and even third place. And I personally use Hanko when it comes to one, growing a small account because I only trade oil or only US30, and it has the best spreads for that reason. So if you want that purposely, you can get that with a 200% sign-on bonus that I am giving away thanks to Hanko. For that, you are able to sign up with the 200% sign-on bonus using that link down there. Now, for everybody else that is looking to trade gold or trade platinum, I mentioned platinum a lot in my actual videos. Once again, you can go with GatesFX. The spreads are a lot tighter with GatesFX when it comes to trading gold. And then also you don't have to worry about the big spike outs or the slippage or any crazy thing like that we discussed earlier. Now, the last resort is going to be HeroFX. This is mainly for all of my true Forex traders, anybody that's trading minor and major pairs. It has really good spreads and they have different account types that you're able to choose. Now, when it comes to trading with HankoTrade, you have different account types. You have STP, ECN, ECN Plus. If you're depositing anything over $1,000, hands down, go with ECN Plus. Reason being is you will pretty much get the raw pricing right then and there. Now, I would highly suggest if you want to get faster execution, go with STP just because you're able to execute trades faster. And then, like I said before, this is perfect for my scalpers out there if you're looking to trade. Now, if you are an intraday trader or a swing trader, the best option for you would be GatesFX. If you are looking to trade Forex side, I'm gonna give you 2 reasons. One, usually swing traders and intraday traders, you can make a lot more money holding the trades out a lot longer. And then also, most importantly, the leverage. I love that GatesFX give out a max leverage of 1 to 1,000. What this basically means is if you're trading with a $1,000 account, you're pretty much able to risk way more than what you could do with a 1 to 200 leverage, 1 to 500 leverage, and so forth. So usually as a swing trader or an intraday trader, it's best to put in a little bit more money just because you can make a lot more money out of that as well. Now, anytime if you really want to figure out what broker works for you based off of your trading style, upload your trades. If you already know what you want and you want to analyze it based off of your favorite pair, just go ahead and select it and it will find it for you. Other than that, I left all of the 3 links down below for you to select. And once again, if you want to see more videos like this, or if you have not seen my other previous videos, subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media, The Real Solo E on Instagram. Other than that, I appreciate you for tuning in. Your boy Solo checking out.